Good morning, friends. Welcome to today's video, which is going to be a Sunday reset routine. Now, my Sundays look a little different because I do a couple of very important things on Sundays, so it's not a total relaxation type of Sunday reset. It's more of like starting my week off productive and very good, getting things done. So this will be a very productive Sunday reset routine, but I'm so excited. I never usually film my Sundays just because I feel like they are pretty busy, but hi, I'm so happy you're here. And we are gonna start getting ready for church. Here's our outfit for the day. I'm wearing these black waffle pants from 𝗿𝘂𝘆𝗹, kind of turtleneck, ribbed, beige top from Target. We have got to do something with this hair though. It's almost 8 o'clock now. We're about to head to Starbucks to get our little drink for the day. There was this drink I saw on Starbucks, or no, there was this drink I saw on Instagram, and it was called a raspberry blondie because Starbucks brought back their raspberry syrup, which when I was younger, my dad would take me to Starbucks like every Saturday, and I would just sit at the bar and watch the baristas make drinks like for an hour. I would always like research the week before when my dad would take me of the drink that I wanted to get, and I would always get a secret menu drink. My favorite secret menu drink was like the cotton candy frappuccino. I don't know if you remember that, but that was my thing, and basically all it was a vanilla bean frappuccino with raspberry syrup, but they discontinued the raspberry syrup for like 10 years or something, and they just now brought it back. Safe to say, little Grace is so happy right now. But instead of a vanilla bean frappuccino today, we're gonna get a coffee with raspberry syrup. So let's go pick up Camilla right now. Hi. So to order this on Starbucks, you're gonna do a doppio or a triple, just depending on what coffee you want. And then do blonde espresso. And then for me, I want to do almond milk. You're going to want to add 4 pumps raspberry syrup. And you know what's crazy is that, wait, is this real? Is that the drink comes out to $3.
Wait, really?
The drink is $3 if you do it like that. Doppio, blonde espresso, your milk of choice, and then 4 pumps of raspberry syrup. We're gonna order it! I'm so excited. So here's what they came out looking like.
Just look how dark mine is, and I have the same color.
1, 2, 3. That's so good, but I think I need a little bit more on the. What? What? Let me taste yours. Yours is so good.
I can't.
I think I need
You
one.
like that? That is so gross. I mean, that literally tastes like medicine.
We got these egg bites. I actually didn't used to like them at first, but I got them because honestly they're just really good macros, and they're, you know, like probably the healthiest thing you can get. But then I got them again, I gave them another chance, and I was like, okay, I actually do like them. And I tried to get the Costco egg bites because they make an exact dupe of these. They are not the same. We're gonna head to church, teach our kids for a little bit, and then watch the service, and then we'll have a bunch of fun things for you and I to do afterwards. It's now 2 o'clock. We went to Costco. Costco was insane as always. I was so hangry. Tell them about what I said.
She said that's buffoonery because I didn't get these buffalo Dots pretzels. I didn't want them. Then she goes, that's buffoonery. Then I go, I say buffoonery back, and then she goes, you know what a buffoon is? I said, no, I don't. What's a buffoon? And she goes, it's a monkey. Then I look at her like this, and I said, a baboon? And then I look back over, and she's dying laughing because she knows she's wrong. And she looks up buffoon, and nothing comes up for an animal. And then I said, look up baboon because I'm pretty sure that's what you were talking about. And then there goes the monkey.
He's the only person that I'm ever wrong with. Like, ever. Right now we're gonna hop on a call with our wedding florist. And I'm so excited. I sent her my bridal bouquets that I was like envisioning from Pinterest. And she sent back like a bunch of collages of the flowers that they have and how they can like actually make the bouquet. And I'm really excited because they look so good and so much like the picture. We're also going to be using this planner, this wedding planner from 𝗿𝘂𝘁𝗋. Thank you so much, 𝗿𝘂𝘁𝘁𝗋, for sending this to me. I think this has a floral section, so this is pretty cool. But I think I'm pretty much going to use this right now to maybe just jot down any questions that we have that we want to ask her, or any notes that I want to remember for just the future. So there's a huge note section that I can basically just write down whatever. So that's what we're gonna do right now. And yeah, I'm excited. This is like our first step of actually connecting with the people working at the wedding. Our first step of like actually planning, making decisions about the wedding. She.
Nice.
He's a rage baiter. We just got our favorite Chinese food ever. It's not Panda Express. What'd you get again?
General Tso chicken. Lo mein.
Okay, and then I got Kung Pao chicken with lo mein. And we're really excited to go eat it, right?
Yeah.
Sunday reset. Hello, girls. It's 8 o'clock now, and I wish I was not doing this. But I made a promise to myself that I would be taking a walk every single day up to my wedding, even when I'm so super tired, like I am today. I am committed though, and I made this promise to myself, so I'm gonna keep it even when I really don't want to and I don't feel like it. So let this be some motivation to you. If you made a promise to yourself as well and you're not doing it, get up and do it, girl. It's not gonna be 100% all of the time. You have to put in the work, you have to put in the effort, and I'm saying that to myself. We are fresh out of the shower, and I don't know about you, but whenever I shower, I feel like myself again. But since today is a Sunday reset, a Sunday self-care day, we have to take care of our skin. So I'm going to use a Korean face mask. These 𝗿𝘂𝘁𝗋𝗋 face masks are my absolute favorite. I love these so much. They're not expensive at all, and they work so well. Today was seriously exhausting. I'm usually not like crazy tired, but today I am just so ready for the day to be over and for me to go lay in my bed. If you haven't seen my previous videos, essentially what I do on Sundays, I firstly teach at church. I teach the 1st through 3rd graders, and that is my pride and joy. I love getting up early to do that, and I will teach at the early service. I look insane. And then I will go attend the 2nd service with my family. And so I'm there for like 4 hours. And then I go to Costco with Vic. And I do not live with Vic, my fiance. I just go over on Sundays and meal prep for him because he has a full-time job. And I want to be as much help as I can for him. So I love to cook. It's also extra time we get to spend together. I look crazy. Now that we have this on, this is my favorite part of my night. We're gonna pray, read, and journal. I don't know if this can get any more or less aesthetic. Let me tell you what I have been doing with reading the Bible. I feel like recently with reading my Bible, I've just been trying to really get something out of it whenever I read it. So every single day I've been trying to just get straight instruction from God by reading something that I'm spontaneously choosing the night of. Honestly, that has not been working for me at all. Because you know, sometimes when you read the Bible, like you're not getting something from it immediately, but like the week of, it's something that you had read about previously that now makes sense. When I'm reading it, I'm not spontaneously randomly choosing like a specific book and chapter to read from to try and gain something. I'm going through it as a whole. So right now I have chosen to read Kings, 1st and 2nd Kings, honestly because I was really intrigued by the story of what happens in Kings and just like a bunch of healing and prophets and kings. And so I was just really curious and like reading it to read it, and I've already been getting what I've been looking for previously. Now that I am actually just obeying God and just actually reading the Bible for what's there instead of me trying to like derive meaning from it, it's so relieving and it's so bountiful and fruitful because it's actually working better than something that I tried previously. Yeah, I'm just really happy with reading it now. Like it's not a chore for me. I felt that recently. I felt like reading is a chore, journaling is a chore, praying is a chore, but these are all gifts, and they're all gifts from Jesus that we would not have without him. So if that spoke to you in any way, I'm so happy. Got my peppermint tea right here. Finally, all done. I am so ready to get in this bed and sleep. Thank you so much for spending a Sunday with me. I had so much fun with you. I hope you had so much fun with me, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Let me know what you want to see from me, and I can't wait to be with you next video.